volver a empezar. Volver a empezar. And remember, you have to, if you want to be fluent in Spanish, you need to start saying things a little quickly. So when you say this in a normal speed is volver a empezar. Volver a empezar. So it sounds like it's just one long word, but it's actually three. 3 words. Okay, we have volver a empezar. And empezar de nuevo. The first phrase is the one above. Volver a empezar. And the second one, empezar de nuevo. And these 2 phrases mean the same thing, okay? So the meaning is to start over or to start again. This is a common thing to say in Spanish for sure. Okay, volver a empezar. If you want to use this phrase, you need to know the conjugation of the verb volver. Yo vuelvo, tú vuelves, él vuelve, and so on. And volver a, it's commonly used in Spanish, volver a. So you can remember that little phrase. And, we have empezar. Empezar. Volver a means to go back, essentially. But if you add the verb empezar, that means to start over, to start again. Okay? The second phrase here, empezar de, or rather empezar, we have empezar, to start, to begin. You know the meaning of that verb. I talked about it at the beginning of the live stream. And we have de nuevo. De nuevo, this is a very, very, very great phrase that means again, okay? It means again, okay? So it's essentially you're saying to start over, to start again. Now, let's look at some examples and just to see how this phrase works. Okay. Oops. It starts here. No estaba contenta con nuestro trabajo. No estaba contenta con nuestro trabajo. Y nos hizo empezar de nuevo. No estaba contenta con nuestro trabajo. Y nos hizo empezar de nuevo. Okay. What are we talking about? This means she wasn't happy with our work and made us start over. Maybe, something happened. You were working on something and your boss didn't like it. And the boss said, start over. Start over. So let's break this down. No estaba means she wasn't. Obviously, you can add ella. Ella no estaba. Ella means she, okay? But we don't need it. But you can say it. Ella no estaba. She wasn't. Contenta. Happy. Contenta is feminine. Contento is masculine. Con, with. Nuestro, our. Trabajo. Trabajo means work and also means job, okay, in Spanish. Y, and nos hizo, she made us, Okay. Empezar de nuevo. It's the whole phrase here. Empezar de nuevo. Start over. Okay. So that's how this phrase works. No estaba contenta con nuestro trabajo y nos hizo empezar de nuevo. She wasn't happy with her work and made us start over. Okay? Interesting stuff, for sure. Just let me erase all of this. It's too much red. Too much red. Okay, let's look at the next example. Las clases vuelven a empezar en septiembre. Las clases vuelven a empezar en septiembre. This means the classes or school start again in September. If you're saying school, obviously the school starts again in September. If you're using classes, the classes start again in September, of course. Las clases, this term is commonly used in Spanish to refer to, you know, when school starts or when you start your classes, okay? Classes, the literal translation, my arrow is terrible. It means classes. Las clases. Classes. Or the classes. Vuelven. Vuelven. Vuelven, we're using this term right here. Vuelven a. Okay. And we have empezar. Empezar. Vuelven a empezar. And that means start again. In septiembre. Septiembre is the month. September. Okay, so very, very good. You can use either one. Volver a empezar. Empezar de nuevo. They mean the same thing. So don't worry about when should I use this, when should I use this other one. They both mean the same, to start over, to start again. So quite interesting, quite good. I'm saying interesting too many times, but it's true. It's true. It's very interesting how languages work, you know, English and Spanish. Okay, so that was volver a empezar, empezar de nuevo.